folding license plate.
Yeah, I hit it a couple times.
Well, the sway bar disconnects are working.
Did you disconnect them?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Ain't bad.
It really wasn't bad.
Ba-boom. Little bit of a
Ba-boom.
a bump.
Ba-ba-boom. Oh, we've got an optional lane apparently.
Ooh. You might need it.
Oh crap. Yep, we lost a gear.
Look at
Teeth are gone.
Oh, doing a burnout. The old bendable gear.
Uh-huh.
Give the gas. There you go. That's a little bit of a nasty section, though.
That is. Let's see how this goes.
You're good. Can't let him in the grandpa Jeep show yet.
I know. The sad thing is that has the technology to do it.
You do too. Oh, you got it.
How will the black Jeep do it?
I think it will. It'll scrape below. It'll do it. He didn't even go up there.
Yeah, good one over there, huh?
Should've. Yeah, he did. He's gonna put his tire right in that hole. Oh boy. What the heck?
Wow.
That looked sketchy.
That did.
It's hard to do it without dropping into a hole.
It is. Something is going to go in a hole. So far, I'm liking this.
So far, it's good. There went the U-joint.
Yep.
Okay.
There you got it.
There you got it. Oh, we do get to go up the hill.
Oop. Got the bump in the road. See where airing now would have helped.
Yeah. That's probably why they're recommended.
Probably.
There you go. That was good.
That was smoother.
I can see those pipes getting weird when it gets wet. Also, after it rains, that log tilted hill there, the road's just gonna slide down.
Watch your driver's side, keep your tires on the steps.
Okay.
And on this side of the steps so you don't hit nothing going down.
Alrighty.
Thank
Sounds
you.
good, sir.
You're welcome. You like it?
Oh, yeah.
Fun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is a good upgrade.
Yeah, it's
Good.
good.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
I heard a sway bar disconnected something.
I was gonna say, if it wasn't disconnected
only-
before, the sway bar is now
That
disconnected.
is like the only thing that could have hit.
Yeah. Just a little twanging sound, you know?
That was
Yeah, that was
gnarly.
cool.